Hey there, welcome back. I'm Flat Rate Mechanic, and today we're diving into a topic that can save you a whole lot of cash when it comes to car repairs, specifically how to deal with those pesky camshaft timing codes like P0011. Have you ever seen one of those codes pop up on your scanner and felt a wave of dread about the potential repair costs? You're not alone. But here's the kicker. Many shops will quickly jump to conclusions, telling you that you need a new VVT solenoid or even a timing chain. But what if I told you that sometimes it's as easy as checking your oil level or doing an overdue oil change? Stick around because today I'm going to show you how to diagnose these issues yourself, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars. Let's kick things off by understanding what P0011 actually means. In simple terms, it's saying that your A camshaft position timing is over-advanced or there's a performance issue on bank 1. This usually refers to the intake camshaft on the side of your engine where cylinder 1 lives. It's a code that shows up in all kinds of vehicles, from GM Ecotec engines to Nissan's QR25 and VQ35, Toyota's 2AZ FE, and many more. If your car has variable valve timing, and let's face it, most cars made in the last 15 years do, then you might see this code pop up. Now let's talk about saving some serious cash. Did you know that by simply checking your oil, you could avoid costly repairs? That's right. Low or dirty oil, wrong viscosity, clogged, VVT oil control screens, or a sticking VVT solenoid are all common causes of the P0011 code. And here's a pro tip. Mechanical timing issues are actually pretty rare compared to those oil-related problems. So what's the first thing you should do? Check that engine oil. Trust me, it's crucial. Even if your oil is just a little low, it can set that code off. Remember, the VVT system runs on hydraulic pressure, so it needs oil to function properly. If it's too thick or too thin, or if you don't have enough, boom, P0011. Here's what to check. First, pull your dipstick and make sure you're between the minimum and maximum marks. You'd be surprised how being half a quart low can trigger that code. Next, take a look at the oil condition. If it looks black and sludgy or if it's overdue for a change, well, there's your culprit right there. And don't forget about the viscosity. Always stick to what your manufacturer recommends. Using 20W50 when your car needs 0W20 can absolutely cause VVT issues, especially in colder weather. If your oil is overdue for a change, just change it. I've seen that fix P0011 about 60 to 70% of the time. For most modern engines with VVT, you're looking at an oil capacity of around 4 to 5 quarts, so don't guess. Use what your manufacturer specifies. Now, if you've checked your oil and it's all good, but that code is still there, let's move on to testing the VVT solenoid. This is where tools like a power probe come in handy. You'll want to disconnect your battery first so you don't short anything out. Then locate the VVT solenoid. It's usually on the front of the cylinder head. Once you've got it out, check the screen filter on the inlet side. If it's clogged with sludge, clean it out with brake cleaner and a toothbrush. Now here's how you actually test it. With your power probe, briefly touch power to one terminal and ground to the other. You should see the plunger move in and out smoothly. If it doesn't move or feels gritty, well, that solenoid is bad. You can also check the resistance with a multimeter. Most VVT solenoids have a coil resistance between 6 to 14 ohms. Let me break down the most common causes of the P0011 code. Low or dirty oil is a biggie. It accounts for 60 to 70% of the cases. The VVT system thrives on clean oil at the right pressure. Next, using the wrong oil viscosity contributes to about 15 to 20% of cases. Those VVT systems are designed for specific oil flow rates, so don't skimp on that. Another key point is a clogged VVT solenoid screen, which is responsible for around 10 to 15% of cases. Cleaning it can take just 10 minutes, so it's worth your time. Now, sometimes the solenoid itself fails, but don't jump the gun on replacing it. Verify it first. A new solenoid can run you anywhere from $50 to $150 plus labor. But if you can clean or just change your oil, you're saving a lot of cash. There are times you should definitely seek professional help, though. If you hear loud chain rattles or knocking sounds from your engine, or if you notice low oil pressure codes alongside P0011, don't ignore it. those can lead to bigger problems. And if the code keeps coming back despite your best efforts, it might be time to let a professional dig deeper. So to wrap it all up, first, always check your oil and make sure it's clean and at the right level. Next, test that VVT solenoid to see if it's functioning properly. And finally, don't hesitate to seek professional help if things seem beyond your reach. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you in the next one.